In this exercise, we will learn the History Brush tool. It is the tool to recover previous actions of effects on images. Okay, let's see how this tool will work. Here, we can find the History Brush tool. And if I right-click on it, we can see Y is the shortcut key. For example, if I choose Brush tool and paint on this image mistakenly, something like that, then we can choose the History Brush tool and paint on the effect image. You can see it just remove the previous effect very nicely. We can also see we are working on the original image and not a new layer, and that is very, very nice. Okay, let's see some more effects. If I go to Filters and the Filters gallery, I can choose any effect from here. Maybe this one, and apply. And now, press Y to choose the History Brush tool. And now you see the magic here. We can paint on the image where we want to create the effect. This is the best tool to recover mistakes or to make graphic effects on images. Okay, in the next exercise, we will learn the Art History Brush tool.